Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet flower like this. I will use these two yarns, red and yellow. I have this crochet hook. First I will show you how to make this middle part of the flower. I will start with this red yarn. Make a knot as I am showing here. Now I am going to make 8 chain stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you want to make a smaller flower, you can decrease the number of chain stitches. Insert the hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch like I am showing here. Here you pull the yarn through these two loops here. I have got a ring here. I will make one chain stitch here. I will insert the hook into this hole of the ring and pull the yarn through it to the other side. Then I will make a slip stitch like this. Again, I will bring the hook through the hole of the ring to the other side. Make a slip stitch. Once again, I will do the same thing. Again, same thing. Like this, I am going to do it around this ring. Like this, here there are 13 slip stitches in total. In the end, I am going to make one chain stitch and insert it into the first one. Now I have got the middle ring part, as you can see here. Next I am going to make the petals from this yellow yarn. Put a knot. Now I will insert this hook into one slip stitch here. Pull the yarn to the other side of the ring. Here I am going to make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, and 3. I will wrap the yarn around the hook 2 times like this. Then insert the hook through the second slip stitch. Bring the yarn through this to the front. Now I have got 4 loops here. Bring the yarn through the first 2 loops. Then bring the yarn through the next 2 loops like this. Finally, I have got 2 loops here. Bring the yarn through these 2 loops. I will again make 3 chain stitches. Wrap the yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert the hook into the next slip stitch. And bring the yarn through it to the other side. Again, I got 4 loops here. Bring the yarn through the first 2 loops. Then through next 2 loops. And then through the last 2 loops. Now I have got the 2 petals here. Again I will make 3 chain stitches. and continue the same way. Like this, continue making petals around this ring till here. Here I have completed making these mini petals. I am going to do the last one now. Three chain stitches. Wrap 2 times. Insert it into the slip stitch. Bring it to the front. Now bring the yarn through the first 2 loops. Then through next 2 loops. And then through the last 2 loops. One more petal I will do here. In the end, make a chain stitch. Insert it through the first petal. And make a slip stitch. Finally, bring the yarn through it like this. and cut the yarn. I will cut these extra pieces of yarn. Here I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 petals. I have made a slightly smaller flower here. By increasing or decreasing the number of first chain stitches, you can make bigger or smaller flowers. So friends, like this you can make beautiful crochet flowers. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.